this is terrifying. Yo, what up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your normal, Google screen into like a cool GIF Google screen. Because everybody cares about that. Basically you can search up like anything you want and then do loop GIF. We'll just go and do one that loops really well. So you can hit save image here. We're gonna name it something that we can actually remember. .png. Now it's important you do PNG. Just deselect GIF image. Now you see it's downloaded down here. Hit the plus. Click the little pencil icon. And look, there you go. Your wonderful background. Now everybody's impressed by you. Congratulations. You're cool.